Hi, and welcome to Anne's Craft Room, where life is too short, so get out those craft supplies. Try something new and make something beautiful just for you. Well, my husband and I went down to Huntsville, Alabama for the weekend. Well, overnight. We went down after my work yesterday and did a midnight zip line at Rocket Space Center. And then we got up this morning, went to a local park and did a hour-long hike. You'll have to look at my Facebook page to know about the story of that one. But it was interesting and we enjoyed it. And then on the way home, I got to stop at Michael's in Franklin. And so let me show you what I got. So I got two cases, one pink, one turquoise. And those were on sale for $4.99, and then with my senior discount I got another 50 cents off, so I got each of them for $4.49. I'm slowly replacing my clear ones in my craft room, one or two at a time, to pink and turquoise. Then I picked up some black cardstock because I realized last week that I was low on black cardstock, and these were buy one get one 50% off, and then with my senior discount I got another $1 off, so it ended up being $4.73 each. I also picked up some foil cardstock because I like to use this in a lot of my cards that I make. Also, I use it for mats on some of my layouts. And again, these were $4.73 each because of the buy one get one 50% off, and then my senior discount. I picked up these cute little ornaments. I am going to put a picture of each of my grandkids on there and then just write on the back of them what year they were, and that way they'll go on my tree this year. These were they were $3.99 regularly, and they were on sale for two for $4.99, and then with my senior discount, so I ended up getting them for $2.25 each. Then I got some snowflake bling to go on some of my Christmas cards and some of my ornaments. They were regularly $3.99. They were on sale for $2.40, and then with my discount I was able to get them for $2.16 each. And I just love the glitter. You know me and my bling. And then I picked up some plastic canvas. I'm going to use this to make some things for my ATG gun for some friends and for me. It was, let's see, it was $2.49. I got one of them at 30% off because I could get one regular priced item 30% off, and then my senior discount, they ended up being $2.07 each. And then let me open this up. This was one of their $4.99 Craft Smarts. They're normally $9.99, and it was on sale for $4.99. That isn't going to work. Here it is. That's what I'm looking for. So they're regularly $9.99, and I picked it up for $4.99. And then with my senior discount, they ended up being $4.49. And I really like this one. It's got a lot of the muted colors to it, and I just love these as background pages or mats when I'm doing my layouts. Or cards. I love them as background on my cards. And these are, I really like this. I love the blues and the purples. So I think this is going to be a fun paper pad. It's not a lot of theme stuff, just a lot of muted colors. And then I picked up this one. It's just regular cardstock, but it's in the purple colors. And it was also with my discount and sale $4.49. So let's see. It's double-sided cardstock, so there's like a mauve. And it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors. So 6 of each color. Here's a brown, brownish tan, cream, blue, dark green, a dark purple, a medium purple, and then a pink. So I'll be adding that to my cardstock. So just a quick little video that I just did. I hope you like it. If you want to see more of these haul videos, let me know, but try not to do too many haul videos because that means I'm spending money. You all have a wonderful weekend and have a great Halloween. Thank you. Thank you for watching till the end. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and then hit the subscribe button to see my future videos. Thank you and have a great day.